takating, kuliki takata, kuliki takating, kuliki takata, sakalakabiki takata.
You have the dogs that love the water. And then you have the dogs that hate the water.
So come on, let me see you get gone. Baby mamas, this your song. Been pregnant for way too long. Now tell the DJ turn it on. Turn it on.
If she a baby mama,
Go ahead.
she gon' do that baby mama.
Work.
She gon'
It's not that complicated. There's a Stegosaurus, there's a T-Rex, and then that's a Velociraptor.
3, 2, 1. I love我的心哦
What are you doing? Huh? Huh?
If any of you are wondering if Shibas are really vocal as they say they are,
Obviously you're in distress.
And I really wanna know where you at, where?
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the house and I'm in the house bored. Bored in the motherfucking.
Baker sugar?
Keep your cool, Mika. Keep your cool. Meek. Keep your cool. Meek. Keep it together. Keep it together. Where are we? Where are we? Are we at the dog park? Dog park? Are you excited?
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
favorite picture of me, crackhead picture of me, funny picture of me, a picture of me and my boyfriend, picture of me on vacation, picture of me during summer, picture of me during winter.
I wonder if his, do you think his wing is broken?
There you go. There you go.
Look at him. Oh. That's crazy. Hey, little birdie. So we're going to give Adonis another new ball. Not quite sure how long this is going to last, but we're going to find out. This was received from one of his wonderful followers. So we're going to blow this baby up, take it outside, and we're going to go play. Oh, somebody knows what's coming. Somebody's excited. Ready to play with your new ball? Sometimes Adonis gets very impatient when he's got a new toy to play with. See how long this sucker lasts. I'm gonna try to shut the gate. Hopefully we don't get smushed. Hold on. Ow! Wait! Oh, jeez. Wait for me! Wait for me! Hey, wait for me!
Good morning, Remy. Good morning, bud. What's up? Alright, do your stretches. Good morning, Remy. You ready for a big day, buddy? Yeah. Oh, morning hugs.
Thank you.
Are those his eyeballs? Oh wow, that's the wrong man. There you are. Is this the cutest thing ever? Cody, what is that?
This is a mirror of a Simang. She's a type of small ape.
That's absolutely, what a beautiful animal.
That gummy game that people are doing doesn't work on my dog. Let's fix that. I think you get what I'm doing. Hello. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. Nope.
I'm falling for you.
People always ask me why I have to hoover my bedroom so much, but what they don't know is that I have got a very messy roommate.
Give me your license, please.
I don't have it.
Why not?
Really good reason. I am too young to drive.
How did you get a car?
I've also got an explanation for that. I stole it.
Get out the car, please.
Nope, can't stand up, too drunk.
The good thing about my little ferret Rufus here is that he's not really high maintenance in terms of things that he likes to play with. So I've got this nice little box of packing peanuts for him, which he doesn't really care about. Alright, and I know that a lot of ferrets love it. Then I've got like blankets and shit here for him to play in, but he just doesn't give a fuck about it. Come here. I even got this little ball for him. Nah, you don't care about it. But you give him a little fucking bottle and he froths it. Look at him. See you later, Rufus. This is his bottle. He loves it. Team this up with a bin and fucking hell, you name a better duo. He will legit stay in here for hours. Fucking special, aren't you?